Hey guys and girls, welcome to today's video. I've got a new, it's not a GoPro, it's the Apeman, A-P-E-M-A-N, Apeman action video, or whatever you want to call it, action camera. And so we're going to give it a try. I'm going to try to cut between this little video here, this part of it, and then back to the footage here. I don't have two ways of, keeping this camera set in and the action camera. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to film these parts of the video with that, or with this camera, and then the driving part with that camera, and try to alternate between, so that way you can kind of, whether it be for me too, to try to figure out how this is going to look or whatever. This is all new to me. So I actually went to the gas station yesterday, and on the 335i's, I guess it's a 16-gallon fuel pump or fuel tank, and to run E30 you have to put 5 gallons of E85 in it and then top it off with 93. So that's what I did, and I'm still on the stage 1, because when I go to the 1 Plus I get so like when I'm really into it, it actually kicks the code for the 5 and 6 cylinders misfire. So I'm figuring my coil packs are probably done for. So I'll get we'll stay with the 1, and I did the E30 blend, the stage 1 and the E30 blend, and we're going to drive it, and it actually does really, really well. So yeah, hang in there. Let's see how this thing pulls. And it's actually really, really surprising on how much difference it actually made. So from what I can tell, the E30 blend with the stage 1 to me feels as strong as what the 2 Plus did on 93 octane. So yeah, the E30 is definitely different. See, back when I was a kid running around doing the little Honda Civics and stuff, I never heard of E85 or any kind of blend with the E85. I don't even know if there was what you call them, the biofuels, where you go between the E85 and the pump gas on like your newer cars. I don't think we even had that, as far as I knew. But I knew you could do like race gas, or whatever, 110, or that was a big deal back then. And so this is all new for me. But the E30 blend with the E85, 5 gallons of it in a tank. I don't have a low pressure fuel pump changed out. It's all stock everything. And yeah, this thing's actually really impressive with just the E30 blend on the stage 1. And I have the ARM Motorsports intercooler. I have 1320 downpipes, the MHD on the 1 stage 1, and I think that's all I've got. I got the dual cone intake, the 2 filters. I think it's a Burger Motorsports, and then let's see, I think that's pretty much it. So let's see how this action camera works, and we'll see how it goes. We'll go for a ride. And you can see my configuration. So I can't roll down that window. I couldn't find anywhere else to hook it, or anywhere that I could get it squared up to, show towards the front or whatever. So yeah, let's see how it does. All right, stay tuned. Here we go. All right, I don't think I've done like a rev up on this thing since I've put the blow-off valve and what exhaust and the MHD tune and all that. So I'm gonna give a few revs on this thing. I still have factory, so like when the cats come off the turbo, I have the catless downpipes. Where the downpipes meet the actual exhaust, that's all still factory from there back. So the cat back actually is still factory parts. So I have that intake, the eBay charge pipe with the blow-off valve. It's the tile. It's the style of it, but it's not the actual tile. I paid like 60 bucks for that whole set, and I did order a 11-pound spring for it, so it does have the correct spring in it. The kit didn't come with the right spring, so I did have to order that separately. So, but anyway, here we go. Just to get you some sound clips. I'm gonna set the camera back behind the car now. It definitely blows off a lot harder when you're actually driving the car. So on this short strip right here in front of the shop, I think the police is chasing motorcycles. I think they are. But we'll get a pull right here and you can hear the blow-off valve, maybe. So, yeah.
I'm feeling high.